everyone, Rebecca here, and I am so excited to be diving into making soap again. I haven't actually made soap in like 6 months because, you know, finishing my master's degree took over my life. But now I am free and I'm excited to be making soaps. I have some embeds that I made. I have some Dead Sea salt. We're going to be trying to make a Dead Sea inspired soap recipe. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to put on my gloves. These are recycled gloves that we have to use while cooking. Then I recycle them for soap making. I have my water and I have my lye. And I have my Dead Sea salt crystals. Aren't they just beautiful? Really Dead Sea. So these are going into the water first. They're about 12% of the overall water, and you want between 3.5 to 25%. I kind of figure that when I add the lye in, it's really going to help the Dead Sea salt crystals dissolve as well. So in the lye goes. So it goes back a little. Okay. To complement the health-centered theme of this recipe, I'm going to be using neem oil and eucalyptus oil, both of which are kind of like healthy, like good for you, kind of antifungal oils. And I'm going to be using, I think, let's go with 3 grams of neem oil because it's really strong. And then Australian eucalyptus oil, it's from the pharmacy. 10 grams, okay, 12 grams. I'm sniffing it and I can only smell eucalyptus, which is a good thing because a lot of people don't like the smell of neem, so that's going to be okay. I have my oils here and I'm going to pour the lye into the oils really carefully. Okay, I have my stick blender but not plugged in. And I'm just going to stir everything together to incorporate it first. Add my fragrances. Just. Ooh, weird. This is looking very good. I'm going to try and test what a drop of this will do. Is that curious? Let's see. Not much. Let's add a bit more. There's a danger it's going to seize up. So interestingly, this did basically nothing, which I'm not really surprised by. The soap smells good, so we're going to start pouring it. All this goes in. I don't know what's going to happen to it. Nothing might. This is all really an experiment. So I really don't know what's going to happen to these embeds and how they're going to work out in there. The soap is kind of thickening up, but I still feel like the embeds are stuck at the bottom. So I'm going to pour out some of the soap, teensy bit of Moringa Powder, just a tinge of activated charcoal. Let's see how it goes. So, I think I have successfully recreated the color of that brownish Dead Sea mud. Fair enough. Only because it's the Dead Sea, I can get away with such a horrible shade of like dark green and charcoal. Anyway, I'm gonna try and fold it a bit. And here. Time to see how it turned out. Oh wow, I love it. After about 12 hours of curing, the finished soap has a slightly different color. As you can see, I really like the light greenish gray kind of color from the Moringa powder and the activated charcoal. While most of the soap was opaque, the embeds had a slight translucent quality because of the remelting coconut oil soap recipe that I used. And the greenish hue comes from butterfly blue pea extract that I made. I tried adding it to the cold processed soap, but as you can see, it really has no effect because of the nature of how cold processed soap reacts and the chemical processes going on. But because remelting soap is already, made into soap, that's why you can color it with anthocyanins like the butterfly blue pea extract. In any case, it was an interesting experiment and I really enjoyed trying out the different things that I attempted to put into this recipe. If you like this video, do like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!